All right, so I think we're done. We got our chain and our links in. So replace the chain. She got good tension on her, and the chain tensioner is actually working where it's supposed to work. New master link on her, so that's good there. Come around the other side. We put a new spark plug in there. Get that spark nice and blue. Choke lever on there, and we rewound your cord here, so now she actually goes back all the way. And finally, we do a carb clean on her. The car was a bit dirty, and we put some fuel in her, and we're gonna see if she can fire up. Put a little bit of choke on her like that. Make sure our on-off switch is on the right position. Try pulling over with one end.